presentation on entrepreneurial mobility by Vidyadhar Hegde S, Assistant Professor, Department of Postgraduate Studies in Commerce, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala, Mangalore University. At the outset, let us discuss the meaning of entrepreneurial mobility. Movement and mobility is an integral part of human life. Entrepreneurs being do so move from one location to another and also from one occupation to another. This movement of entrepreneurs from one location to another and from one occupation to another occupation may be termed as entrepreneurial mobility. It means movement of entrepreneurs from one place to another and likewise from one profession to another, which affect the swiftness and pattern of entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurial outcomes are desirable for the growth of a society. Now we shall discuss the various factors influencing entrepreneurial mobility. Movement of entrepreneurs from and into each location and occupation has certain distinct features of its own kind, which affect the phase and pattern of entrepreneurship development. The first factor is education. An entrepreneur must be an educated person. An educated entrepreneur tends to be more mobile than an uneducated one. An educated person can also easily adjust with the changed environment, hold better discussion, and communicate in a more convincing manner. Second factor, training and experience. An entrepreneur must be properly trained and must have some past experience in business or industry. Technical knowledge and experience influence entrepreneurial mobility. An experienced entrepreneur better pursues the available opportunities, better analyzes his or her strengths and weaknesses, and also better understands the complexities involved in running an enterprise. Third factor influencing entrepreneurial mobility is availability of facilities. The entrepreneurs may move from the areas with no or less facilities to the areas with more and better facilities. These facilities include government facilities, availability of raw materials, labor, market facilities, infrastructural facility. Fourth factor, political conditions. The entrepreneurial mobility is also influenced by the political factors such as tax policy, employment laws, environmental regulations, political stability, trade restrictions, and tariffs. Fifth point, the size of enterprise. The entrepreneurial mobility is related to size of enterprise. Larger business houses are found more mobile than smaller ones because a large size of enterprise will have the capacity to start a new business at a new place. Now we shall discuss about forms of entrepreneurial mobility. Broadly, the entrepreneurial mobility based on the nature of movement of entrepreneurs from one place or one occupation to another, we can classify into two as occupational mobility and to locational mobility. First category, occupational mobility. Occupational mobility denotes movement or changes in occupations. Occupational mobility takes place in two forms as one, intergeneration occupational mobility, two, intra-generation occupation movement. Intergeneration occupation movement is a movement of a son or daughter from the main occupation of his or her father to generation occupation movement means the movement or change in one's own occupation during his or her occupational career. This mobility may be horizontal when movement takes place between the occupational classes of equal rank, or vertical when such movement occurs between classes in equal ranks. Occupational mobility of entrepreneurs takes place due to various factors. The factors do cause occupational mobility of entrepreneurs are freedom of choice, motivation, efforts of an individual, availability of opportunities and facilities, the caste, birth in a particular family, education, experience, political conditions. Simultaneously, factors like caste system, political conditions, social changes, economic changes, and an attraction of family hamper the mobility of entrepreneurs too. Another form of entrepreneurial mobility is locational mobility. Movement and settlement have been an integral part of human history all over the world. Entrepreneurs, being a man, also move from one place to another to establish his industry. Locational mobility means movement or changes in location. However, it is observed that some communities are more mobile than others. For example, Marwaris, Punjabis, and Singhs. Factors to cause locational mobility of entrepreneurs includes availability of raw materials, availability of infrastructure facilities, availability of labor, nearness to market, entrepreneurs' own resources, experience, knowledge and information, socio-political situations, government incentives, cheaper land, development of an industrial area are certain factors which do attract entrepreneurs from one locality to another. Earlier, locational and spatial diversification were simply determined by an adjustment between location and weight distance characteristics of inputs and outputs. The reason is that the then industrial structure was heavily dominated by the natural resources base and consumers oriented industries. But over the period, the very consideration for locating industries in a particular region has undergone a considerable change. Thank you.